Is your Google account draining your iPhone battery fast? Disable background app refresh. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then click on General. Scroll down and tap on Background app refresh. Click on the background app refresh again at the top. Choose Wi-Fi to limit background activity or select Off to disable it completely. Then scroll down through the app list. Turn off Google Drive, Gmail, Google Maps, and Google Photos. This stops Google apps from constantly running in the background. Stop Gmail from constantly fetching emails. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Click on the M letter from the alphabet list. Select Mail from the list. Tap Mail Accounts. Then select Fetch New Data. At the top of the screen, turn off the push toggle. Scroll down to the Fetch section. Here, select the Manual option. Now, your iPhone will only check emails when you open the app manually. Turn off unnecessary Google Sync. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Scroll and look for the option Contacts and click on it. Tap Contacts Accounts. Choose your Google account. Disable things you don't need syncing constantly: mail, calendars, notes. Disable Google Photos background activity. Open the Google Photos app on your device. Tap your profile picture at the top right. Select Backup from the menu. Turn Backup off. This prevents Google Photos from automatically uploading photos and videos in the background. Turn off location access for Google Apps. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Select Location Services. Scroll through the list and open Google Apps one by one, like Google Maps. Change the location permission to while using the app. You can also turn precise location off if it's not necessary. Disable automatic app refresh for Gmail. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Click on the G letter from the alphabet list. Select Gmail from the list. Turn off background app refresh. Gmail will only update when you open it. Restart your iPhone after changing all these settings. This can help reduce background activity and improve battery life. And that's it.